Hey YouTube, I'm going to be doing a shooting test on the M16-A81. I'm going to be shooting that piece of paper. Here we go. I'll be shooting 5 bullets. Alright, I don't know if that was 5, but let's go see the damage caused by this gun. It made about 4 or 5 holes, so I hit it about 4 times out of the 5. And that's my shooting test on my. Just check out me and another person who's doing airsoft gun reviews. His name is the Airsoft Master 3. He has pretty good videos, and he has another M16 that he uses a lot, and he described it in very good detail, so check that out too. See you later.